Some of you might be familiar with assemblies, the small self-contained model building blocks that we have added to the Stella software to make it easier for you to put together your models. It is now possible to find and share these assemblies that you have created using the isee exchange. So I'm going to walk you through how we can do that. You can find assemblies in the main directory, but we've created a second directory that's specifically designed to make it as easy as possible to look through this material. So I'm on the main Exchange directory page. If we click this link, we can go to the assembly directory. And in the assembly directory, you will find a number of what we call bundles. Now, a bundle is a group of assemblies that are united by a common theme. So this one is a diffusion bundle for diffusion-related assemblies. This one is for assemblies you would use to simulate a supply chain, and so on. And we can search this content using this search bar. So if we type something in it, just like an A, we can see all of the content assemblies within these bundles that use have the letter A in them. And, if we type bass diffusion, we will get an assembly that says bass diffusion. And what happens if we go into one of these bundles? Well, if you go into one of these bundles, you will find the contents of the bundle. So this is supply chain. And now under this supply chain header, you'll see all of the assemblies within it. And if we click them, we'll get the information on the assembly. This one doesn't have any information yet, but if it did have information, it would be there.